Hello friends, once again welcome to our exercise 3.2 discussion, and in the exercise 3.2 discussion basically we will apply only the sum of the exterior angle of the polygon formula. And everyone knows already that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon having any number of sides, always their sum it is 360 degree. Okay, so first question it is given. See, first question it is given find x. You just have to find the value of the x. See, here it is the x is one of the exterior angle. X is one of the exterior angle of the triangle. So in this figure, here it is x it is given, but here it is two of the exterior angle it is already given. Triangle having three exterior angles. Out of the three exterior angles, one it is given, second it is given, but third it is not given. It is asked that you have to find out the third angle, it is how much. As it is related to our exterior angles, so for which everyone knows that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon it is how much. So for which directly you have to write according to the rule of the exterior angles of a polygon. We know that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, sum of the exterior angles of a polygon it is 360 degree, for which I am writing, see, 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x, it is our 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angles, triangle having three exterior angles, so for which the sum of the three exterior angles it is our 360 degree, which is equal to 150 which becomes 250 degree. 250 degree plus x, it is our 360 degree. So by solving I can find out x, it is our 360 degree minus 250 degree, which becomes our 360 minus 250, which becomes our 110 degree. Understood? Perfectly understood. Just like this question we have done, in the same way we have to attempt to do the next question. So here it is a pentagon figure it is given. It is having 5 sides. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is asked that you have to find out the angle of the measure x. X it will be how much. So this angle measure it is our x. So it is asked you just have to find out the x it is how much. See, so it is one of the exterior angle. See, and this one 90 means this one it is also 90. Another exterior angle. This exterior angle given. This exterior angle given. Also this exterior angle also given. So for which we just have to apply the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon property. Okay. So as we know that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon it is our 360 degree. So for which here we need to write it as, see, 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x plus another 90 degree, which is our 360 degree. Understood? Perfectly understood? Very easy concept. Only the exterior angle it is 360 degree. See, 90 plus 60 equal to 150. 150 plus 70 is equal to 220. 220 plus 90, which is equal to 310. 310 it implies 310 degree plus x, it is our 360 degree. I want to find out x, so it implies x equal to 360 minus 310 degree, which becomes our 50 degree. Tell me this one it is easy or difficult? How easy? Just say me. Okay, so just like how we have done the first question of the exercise 3.2, in the similar way we have to attempt to do the question number 2, and question number 2 it is very easy. Okay, See in the question number 2, it is given related to our regular polygon. Here it is given that regular polygon, if it has 9 sides, if it has 9 sides, so what should be its each of the exterior angles? Each of the exterior angles. See, before we have to solve this question, I want to show you one of the examples. See, suppose this one, it is one of the triangle, regular triangle. See, regular triangle, 3 sides, it has 3 sides, also it has 3 angles. Regular polygon, polygon having how many sides, also having that number of angles. See, here it is, all the angles are same. It means interior angles are same. As the interior angles are same, also here the exterior angles also same. Here it is also exterior angles are also same. 60 means this one it is 120 degree. This one 60 means this one it is 120. This one 60 means this one it is also 120 degree. Understood? So here the formula to, here the sum of the exterior angle. Sum of the exterior angle, it is our, suppose some exterior angles are x. So it means x plus x plus x. It means 3x. It is our 180 degree. It implies x, it is our 180 degree divided by 3. It means 100, sorry, not 100, by mistakenly I have written. So it will be our 360 degree divided by 3. Sum of the exterior angle, it is our 360. So for which here the formula it is, each of the exterior angle, it is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. Another example I am showing. Here it is one of the square I am talking about. All the sides are same. Sides, 4-sided polygon means also it has 4 of the angles. Interior angle 4, also exterior angle also 4. So here the regular means interior same, it means exterior also same. Suppose it is x, here it is x, here it is x, here it is x. So as we know that the sum of the exterior angle of any of the polygon, it is our 360 degree. So for which here x, 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 it means 4x, it is our 360 degree. So how to find each of the exterior angle? Each of the exterior angle, it is our 360 degree divided by 4. So for which you just have to remember one of the formula, that each of the exterior angle, each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to, see, 360 degree divided by n. N means number of sides. N means our number of sides. Understood? N means number of sides. So for which here directly you have to write polygon having regular polygon of n sides. So here the formula it is 360 degree divided by 9, which is equal to 40 degree. So each of the exterior angle it is equal to 40 degree. How? Here with this formula 360 degree divided by number of sides of that regular polygon has. Next one it is, each of the exterior angle formula it is 360 degree divided by 15, which is equal to 50 2 ja 30, 15 4 ja 60. Here it is 24 degree. Ready? So here it is one of the extra formula. You just have to remember sum of the each of the exterior angle of a regular polygon of sides, of number of sides n, of number of sides, suppose number of sides is n, then the formula it is 360 degree divided by n. Understood? Easy or difficult? So whatever the number of sides a regular polygon has, always the formula to find out the exterior angle, it is our 360 degree divided by n. Also another formula it can be derived at here. See, remember another formula can be derived. Exterior angle, suppose shortcutly writing it as the, suppose A it is the exterior angle, each of the exterior angles, so it means its formula it is 360 degree divided by n. So from this formula, if one is interested to find out the number of sides equal to how much, number of sides formula it is 360 degree divided by each of the exterior angle. Remember, from this single formula also another formula can be derived. number of sides, it is our 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. Ready? From the single, this formula also can be derived. You just have to remember the two formula. Okay? See, for the question number 3, it is asked that how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of the exterior angle it is 24 degree. One of the measure of the exterior angle it is 24 degree. A regular polygon means each of its exterior angles are same. So here just now I have said you one of the formula. See, exterior angle of a regular polygon, it is our 360 degree divided by n. N means number of sides. Then after from this one, another formula it was generated. Number of sides, it is our 360 degree divided by exterior angles. Exterior means each exterior. Whenever sides given for the regular polygon, we can find out the exterior angles by this formula. Remember, and whenever sides given, exterior angle given, we can find out the side by this formula. Here 360 divided by n, here also 360 divided by each of the exterior angles. So for with the same formula we can solve. See, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle it is 24? One of the measure of the exterior angle it is 24. So measure of the exterior angle it is our 24. It means sides equal to, see, number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by 24 degree. So for which we have to cancel 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, here it is 0. Here it is once again it will cancel, which becomes 15. So for which number of sides it is 15 in number. Degree it will be cancelled, it will be 15 in number. Understood with this formula how we have to solve? Understood or not understood? Okay, so now we will do the discussion of the next question.